As biohackers, we all know that many of the everyday products in our homes can actually be harmful to our health and add to our toxic burden. This is especially true of traditional hair care products. LifeVantage is pleased to offer a unique hair care system that reduces your toxic burden and uses highly effective ingredients to improve shine and body for fuller, thicker, and more radiant looking hair. The True Science hair care system uses Nerf 2 ingredients and other scientifically validated ingredients that not only keep your hair clean and beautiful, but also help support a healthy scalp and hair follicles. So, let's take a look at the products that make up the True Science hair care system. First up is our True Science Invigorating Shampoo, which uses a mild surfactant to gently cleanse your hair and improve strength and shine. Our invigorating shampoo uses lanolin to protect your hair against environmental damage and an amino acid blend that improves strength, shine, and color. It's formulated with peppermint oil and a hint of thyme to invigorate your scalp. Plus, you won't find any added sodium lauryl sulfate, paraben, or other harsh detergents that increase your toxic burden and are bad for the environment. The next component of the True Science hair care system is the True Science Nourishing Conditioner. Our conditioner deeply nourishes your hair, leaving it feeling soft and smooth and looking thicker and fuller. Our clean formula uses Nerf 2 ingredients that protect your hair against environmental assaults, reduce frizz, prevent breakage, and seal down cuticles that have been damaged through coloring, bleaching, perming, or heat. That leaves you with noticeably softer, smoother looking hair. And finally, our True Science Scalp Serum gives your scalp the attention it deserves. As you probably know, the part of your hair you actually see and touch is made up of dead keratinized cells. Most hair care products on the market today work only to mask these damaged dead hair strands. Scalp Serum works to nourish your scalp and support the part of your hair that's still alive, the hair follicle. Unlike shampoo and conditioner, Scalp Serum is applied to your towel-dried hair or dry scalp. Gently massage a small amount into the scalp until the serum has been evenly absorbed. It's that easy. You don't wash it out. Scalp Serum uses a powerful combination of patented ingredients, including hair gel and Scalp, to soothe and nourish all scalp types and to support normal hair growth cycles. Remember, a happy scalp equals happy hair. When you employ the True Science hair care system, you can be confident that you're using clinically studied, proven ingredients that will transform your scalp and hair, leaving you with vibrant, healthy, amazing looking hair.
So when we set out to create the hair care line, it made a lot of sense to put it in our True Science brand. Our True Science brand within the LifeVantage brand is specifically a Nerf 2 focused personal care line. So considering that we already had a Nerf 2 focused skincare line, to extend that brand to include the hair care made a whole lot of sense to us.
As a biohacker, we wanted to reduce toxic load. And when I'm researching on a lot of personal care, especially hair care system, a lot of product I love and I use was not as clean as I thought.
In particular, when it comes to hair care, you're always dealing with either something that has a high toxic load, or you can get rid of the toxic load, but it just doesn't work like your old stuff.
Now what we wanted to do is have products without those harmful, harsh chemicals, but at the same time still have a product that actually worked.
We have a few trademark ingredients in our True Science hair care system: lanolin, Scalp, and hair gel. The lanolin is actually the Nerf 2 activating ingredients, which can protect your hair from environmental assaults.
Shampoo is one of the product was really hard to formulate. One thing you will notice, our invigorating shampoo is have a really thin water-like texture. That's coming from, we try to not to use any type of binding that it makes it product not clean.
We stay away from certain chemicals like sodium lauryl sulfate. So that's something else you'll notice in the shampoo. It doesn't lather as much. You don't need that much lather to have clean hair, and it's also very drying for your scalp and is also very bad for the environment.
So conditioner is a little bit different property. You want it to kind of grab onto your hair. So we use a lot of like nourishing ingredients.
And the scalp serum is the secret of the line, I think, because it goes to your scalp. It addresses the issues of the dry hair, of the frizz, of the fuller and thicker looking hair.
When it came to the visual brand for the hair care line, we wanted to make sure that there were distinguishing factors between the skincare line and the hair care line, as well as the commonality between the two. We used the same logo type, True Science logo type, and the same pattern and the same sizing, but used a different color scheme and a little bit different layout in order to be able to achieve both those things for the visual look.
Every element was thought through, not just the outside or the principal panel as we call it, but every single element, just as the product has been thought through, every element. We wanted it to mirror that careful and meticulous nature of the product.
There's actually an app that you can validate it, how clean your product is. The app called Think Dirty. So they will score 0 to 10, 0 being clean and 10 being dirty. Our product is scored 1 for shampoo and 2 for conditioner and a scalp serum.
We thought, man, if our products were in there and had great scores, that makes a really great marketing tool for our distributors. The effects that we've been able to see with our biohacker community has been unreal.
Fuller, thicker looking hair, reduced split ends, a more balanced scalp.
A lot of a hair care product, when you look at it, this is for oily scalp or oily hair or dry hair. But our product is for all hair type.
So the True Science hair care system is formulated for everyone. Men, women, thick hair, thin hair, it's for everyone and everyone can use it.
We've always believed in a better way. The unworn path, the big, the bold, and the unimaginable. After all, that's why we started this place. To reinvent health as we know it. From your body to your brain. And now, to your hair.
I can feel it, there's something in the water.
Introducing True Science Hair Care. It's a complete system that redefines hair care for the next generation of biohackers. It's designed from the ground up to put more into your hair so you can get more out of it. More science, more shine, more thicker, healthier looking hair. Without toxins, harsh chemicals, or compromises. Welcome to a new day for hair care. It's not just one day anymore. It's day one.
I can feel it, there's something